How to add coins to your watch list on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit and want to add coins to your watch list, then it makes it easy to keep track of your favorite cryptocurrencies so that you can quickly monitor their prices and market movements. First of all, launch open the Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the trade button from the bottom of the screen and then go ahead and select the coin or trading pair you want from the top left. Choose one of the options from the menu and it'll open up this chart page for this selected trading pair. Now, go to the top right and tap on the little star icon to mark the pair as your favorite. Now, if you go to Market and select Watchlist, you'll be able to see the saved coins or trading pair inside your watch list. So that's how you do it. You've successfully added a coin or a trading pair to your watch list on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.